Woo! All right, I know y'all see the box. You know what usually happens in these types of videos. We've got some brand new sneakers to review. And I know that you guys already know what sneakers they are because of the thumbnail, but just try to act surprised once we open these up. Now, yes sir. Can't lie, this box was kicking my butt. These shipped out insanely quick too because I just ordered them on Friday and it's now Wednesday when we're reviewing them. But yeah, let's get these in hand and see what we're dealing with. Today, we're talking about the Ethics lgTWO. If you're not familiar with Ethics yet, this is you. You need to wake up. Certified bucket getter Langston Galloway and his wife Sabrina Galloway started their own sneaker brand. We reviewed the lgONE on the channel last year, just an insanely dope silhouette. And their staple colorway, this lavender touching on the cream and the white, it's just... And now they're back with the second edition from the Ethics line, the lgTWO. It's a low-cut sneaker that kind of looks like a refined version of the lgONE. I do like when signature sneakers take little elements from their predecessor, kind of like a Pokemon evolution. But anyway, the Ethics lgTWO released on April 19th for a retail price of $120 US, and this launched on ethicsthebrand.com. A lot of you may be familiar with the sneaker here that I'm holding in my hand because during the NBA season, sneaker free agent Kyrie Irving was seen working out in these. How dope would that be for Kyrie to move on from Nike and go to a black-owned brand like Ethics? I'm keeping my fingers crossed for that one. But right now, let's go ahead and jump into the features of the Ethics lgTWO. Starting with the base of the sneaker, we have a cream-colored nylon material wrapping around, and you also have like a pistachio-colored stitching weaved all around the base for reinforcement. And that nylon is super sturdy. The whole shoe is really sturdy, to be honest. Like, it's built strong. If you throw this at somebody, it's curtains. It feels a bit tough at first because of the strong materials used on the shoe. It kind of reminds me of the Trae Young 1. Great materials, but I'm sure it develops a little bit more give over time as you wear it. I mentioned that staple colorway from Ethics, the lavender on cream and white. The lgTWO features a slightly darker shade of lavender on these suede overlays that you see here at the collar, at the toe box, the heel, on the lateral side, and on the medial side. On the Ethics site, it also says that these overlays are meant to mimic the nature of clouds. And you can see that curvy outlining to the design. We have more of that nylon on the tongue of the sneaker, then going up the middle and spreading around the tip, you have more of that suede. And then right there in the middle, you see that Ethics logo stitched in. Some pristine lavender laces come in this pair, but if you're not feeling that, the shoe also comes with a mint pair of laces that you can swap out. Now, dropping down to that toe box, as we mentioned, you see more of that suede wrapping around. And on the lateral side of the sneaker, it says anywhere and everywhere. On the rear of the sneaker, you have another overlay panel for heel support, and the Ethics logo is stitched in there as well. And underneath that, you can also see Ethics on the midsole. The sole unit on the lgTWO is the same aesthetically as what we saw on the lgONE. You have these ripples and waves in the design of the midsole, as well as torsion plates in the middle for added support. I don't know if the design of the midsole was inspired by ocean waves, but that would be really dope if the lower portion of the sneaker was inspired by ocean waves, and then above that you have that inspiration coming from clouds on the overlays. The rubber outsole has some white specks scattered throughout, wavy herringbone traction on the outsole, and you have that Ethics logo here at the rear. And also you have this river-like opening through the middle of the outsole, and it also reveals a little bit of that torsion plate in the middle. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the Ethics lgTWO. Overall, I think they did a great job of evolving on the design of the lgONE. I know everyone loves to play in low-top sneakers, so this should definitely check a lot of boxes for hoopers. I love the staple colorway that Ethics runs with. I'm looking forward to seeing this on all the silhouettes that they put out over the years. It's kind of calming to see that lavender blending with the pistachio. Kind of makes me want ice cream. But let's talk about sizing, because I know a lot of you guys probably have the Ethics website open right now and you're wondering what size to cop in these. I went with my usual US size 11. This is what I order all my Nikes, Reeboks, Under Armour in. Depending on the make of the shoe, sometimes it works out, sometimes you have to size up, size down. With the Ethics LG2, these really do fit like a glove. They're also very firm. I can feel my toe pressed toward the tip of the shoe, so I wouldn't fault you for sizing up a half size and giving yourself a little bit extra room. I'm sure they'll break in with a little more wear, but at the moment they are a bit snug on me. If you're a wide footer, most definitely you will want to size up in the Ethics LG2. As you've been seeing in this video, I got a chance to play in this pair, and I have to say this is a really strong and well-manufactured sneaker. I can just tell that they're durable and they're gonna be lasting a long time. When you put these on, you can feel that a lot went into the material and the overall design of the sneaker. From the placement of the overlays, the grooves in the sneaker, the overall strength and structure, you can really tell that they wanted to cater to the foot of a basketball player. You feel protected while you're wearing these. They're still kind of lightweight, but I feel like a lot of sneakers that come out now that are lightweight, you don't have much protection while you're wearing them. It did take me some time to get used to having these on because I usually play in higher cut sneakers, but I quickly realized that these do have the support that I was fearing I would be missing. So I'll definitely be bringing these back to the gym with me for more runs. But let me know what you guys think of the Ethics LG2. Are you thinking of copping a pair? Let me know in the comment section. Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment pistachio. Thank you guys as always for tuning in. I really appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Also, take a look at this really dope insole on the Ethics LG2. I feel like they do a really good job with the design using this kind of like graph. It makes me feel like I'm back in school.